Alright, today we're going to be doing glow plugs on a 2013 Golf TDI. So first thing what we're going to do is we're going to want to take off the engine cover. So you just got to pull up. You're going to have 4 points. You're going to have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Where's that? The fourth one's right there, and you just want to kind of put pressure points on those while pulling those back up. Next thing, our glow plugs are going to be right here. Be careful you do not damage this wire harness. It is expensive. So here's our little plugs right here. So I'm going to be using these type of pliers, something that could hug the glow plug wires. So we'll go ahead and twist and pull. And you'll pull right back. Inspect the connector, make sure it's not damaged. And again, this is how I'm pretty much grabbing it. I'm not squeezing the connector too hard. I'm just kind of twisting on an outward motion. Same thing for these ones. Just pull right back. We'll go ahead and pull these off to the side. Let's see. Pull these back off. Okay, now that we got those out the way, I believe we're going to be using a 12mm to take off those plugs. Okay, so now with our 12mm and our extensions, we'll go ahead and loosen up these guys. Oh, wow, loosen them all the way. Just go ahead and plug back on your connector. Let's see. And then there's our glow plugs. So what I did was I kind of like put it at an angle and then pulled. These guys are showing good sign of wear. Now here's our new plug. Got our original equipment one. And basically what you can do is you can pull off this cap that's right up there, twist and pull. Then you have your glow plug. Just drop it right down below. Nothing fancy to it. And then you'll go ahead and thread it in by hand. Now these don't need to be torqued on that crazy amount. So I'm saying about like maybe 10 foot-pounds at the most. And I'm using original equipment from the dealer, glow plugs. Now I'm going to see if I can try to use some needle nose pliers and see if I can get that out. Can't find my straight edge. So yeah, that works perfect to pull these guys off. So we'll go ahead and use these to pull these ones off. Yeah, I'm just going to come right there. Let's see if I can find some straight edge because I can't get them all the way down there. Okay, so we'll try these ones, see if these work out a lot easier. Oh yeah, it's better. Oh yeah, that's way better. So these will work out. using some wire strippers. Works out perfect. Make sure you don't forget the caps. Alright, now that we got our plugs on, we're going to go ahead and reverse the order. I'll that up here. Alright, now when you push back on your glow plugs, make sure that they're going to be on there correctly. Show you. So there's your glow plug. You just kind of push until they're clipped in. They're not going to make it clip, but you can feel that nice little pop. Same thing right there. Alright, got them all put in. Now we'll go ahead and put in our engine cover. Push on the 4 contacting points, one right here, one right there. You got one right there and then one right there. So you want to just push firmly on those. It's time to go ahead and start up the car. Okay, so now that we're in the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and start it. So we don't have our glow plug light flashing or illuminated. The reason why I was trying to figure this out, did a little research, and I guess it has its own code instead of a mill light. Really don't work on these too much, so can do a little bit more research on these cars as I progress and working on diesel vehicles. But what I did was, after I changed the glow plugs, I went into my scan tool. It doesn't have to be this one of yours. I went into the codes only, and then there was codes present for the glow plug. It was showing a pre-service, a pre-early service or something. It said something pre-early management. So I went ahead and cleared the codes, did that, and then the light came off. If this video helped you out in any way, comment below, give it a thumbs up, and then hit that subscribe button down below and hit the ding for the notifications as to more videos I will be posting up, as to I would get more diesel vehicles or any other Volkswagens, any other vehicles that could help you out in the future. Thanks for watching.